maaga kaming nagbiyahe as always para iwas sa traffic. So from our location here in Quezon City to Morong Bataan, it would take roughly or less than 4 hours to go there. Pero kasi umalis kami around 4 in the morning, so nakarating kami bago pa mag 7 o'clock. So ang route niya lang pala is Anvaya Cove ang ipipin niya first, pero hindi na kayo makakarating ng Anvaya bago pa mag-Anvaya. Okay.
Ayun siya.
Asan na?
Ayun
Oh, it's here!
Malapit lang. Pati yung sa ice pala, malapit lang din.
Malapit lang din yung mga
Gusto mo,
bilihan.
balikan na natin pag wala silang ice?
Hindi, mag-inquire muna tayo. Tapos kapag oo,
Or mag-unload na ako?
pwede rin. Total, malapit lang naman eh.
Ako na
Pwede
lang.
mo na kaming iwanan. Oo.
Boys!
Yay! Okay. Magkano binayaran mo, Daddy?
2,250
4?
hanggang Monday.
Okay.
Friday to Monday.
Alright. Grabe, nakakakilig yung tunog ng mga ibon sa umaga. Naririnig nyo, di ba? Kakatuwa. Look at that view. Look at the mountain. Nag-upgrade kami ng tent and this is gonna be the first time na itatayo namin siya. Lumalaki na kasi yung mga bata at hindi na kami kasya dun sa dati naming nature hike na Village 5 at nagreklamo si Daddy kasi hindi siya makatayo. Akala ko talagang maliit lang to na parang okay, sakto lang. Pero kapag ka naitayo yun at nasa loob na kayo, surprisingly, ang laki, spacious, ang ganda. Say hi!
Hi.
Okay, back to setting up na ako inside. Okay, so this is the double. This is the single size. So as you can see, saktong-sakto yung size ng double na nature hike at yung single. O diba? Para talaga siyang para talaga siyang ginawa para kay Village 13. Ganda! Excited na akong matulog, charing. Okay, so almost done naman na yung loob. Magsiset up na tayo ng canopy kasi hindi natin sure kung yung mainit ba na panahon hanggang mamaya. Kasi nga, di ba, minsan nakakampante tayo na hindi naman uulan, pero naranasan namin last time, yung last camp namin sa Lubog. Grabe, it was so unexpected. Sobrang lakas ng hangin, tapos biglang umulan. Hindi kami prepared lahat. So, iiwasan natin yung mga ganong bagay. Total, may canopy naman tayo, at may awning naman tayo. Mas okay pang lagi siyang nakaseta para prepared ka ano man ang mangyari, di ba? You guys should learn how to do this because you guys love camping, right?
Kuya Dom's Boy Scout.
Yeah, Kuya Dom's a Boy Scout. That's why he knows how to do it.
Mama, what you say I can
Be
do
careful of the edges, Kuya.
that? You said I can do that.
You can help. Is it so far, my love? Hindi pa nabibwisit?
Wisit ako sa papel.
Bakit?
Supot.
Supot? What do we have to do?
Yun.
Taray, bili na naman.
Gusto ko sana lagay sa gitna eh. Kaso,
Ano? Di pwede? Huwag mo na problemahin kung hindi pwede.
pwede naman.
Aba. Ikaw naman, no? Alright, let's take a tour inside our tent. And yeah, let's see. At dahil may mga bagets tayong malilikot, syempre mas less ang decoration at saka yung talagang functional. Hindi yung lagi kang mag-aalala baka mamaya mahangin at ilipad ang mga gamit mo. So, simple lang. Okay, so na-set up na namin. Ito yung single para kay Daddy. And ito naman yung para sa amin ng mga bata. Total, maliliit lang din naman kami. And then, ito from Warsan. So, may built-in light naman na ito. But, wala lang. Siyempre, aesthetic tayo eh. Charot. And then, itong Opolar na to, super helpful talaga niya. Lalo na kapag ka-humid, yung panahon. Ayan. And this beautiful, anong tawag dyan? Di ko alam. Basta anyway, and this one pala, this one can power, ito, extra battery ni Opolar fan. Kaya niyang i-power yung ilaw ni Village 13. Hi, Daddy!
Hi.
And ano masasabi mo sa room natin?
Mga cozy.
Cozy. Taray, no? At naitawid pa talaga ang flower pot. Hindi papayag na hindi talaga. Ganun. Oh, ganda. Look at the dagat. The dagat is really calling. And this side naman, there's also a big window. May window dyan. May window dito. May window here. And this one, grabe to. Ito, napakaganda. Ayan. Oh, may view ka din. Outside of your tawag dito. Living room. And then, of course, another fan dito. Small but terrible. Super. Etong mga fan na ganito ni Nature Hike, maliit lang yan pero kapag ka low fan, it can last up to 3 days. So, kung meron kayong 3 days and 2 nights na camping, pwede na yan. Pwede na. Hindi pa kami nakakapag-ayos sa labas. But anyway, pakita ko lang sa inyo. Itong, look ko. May view ka doon. Pagising mo sa morning. May view ka dito sa harap. Dito, meron ka ring view this side. Yeah. And the good thing about the flagship pala is, ayan. So, malayo ka palang filter mo na yung buhangin, just like us. Dito, lagyan na namin siya ng punasan, and then another set here, pangalawa, and then third, para naman mag-protect mo yung pinakamating mo. Hirap kaya maglaba, no? Pero anyway, that's our room. So cozy. Grabe, mas maganda pa sa bahay namin to. Kaloka. So that's it. And yeah. So nice. Ang saya ko dito sa portalet namin sa urinal. Hindi na mahirap umihiday. Pati magbanlaw, lalo na kapag madaming tao at mahaba ang pila. Naku, isa-save ka niyan, promise.
Can you take a bath, please? I'm done.
Grabe, super tawag dito, kalmado yung water. Kaya nag-enjoy yung mag-aama ko. Time check, it's I think it's 4:30. Pero grabe, ang ganda ng panahon. And my son still enjoying the water. Oh my goodness. Who wants ramen?
Me.
Oh my god.
Me.
So ramen night for the kids.
It's like a pocket.
Yeah, do you hear that?
Yeah, it's like a puppet.
Is it a puppet? What does it say?
Taka.
What does it say?
Baka.
I'm sorry. What does it say?
Baka.
It's not paka. It says taka.
Baka.
Okay. So, kalang bulati. Kimchi jjigae.
Daddy, look at my truck. Can I see?
Ito. Picture bird marker.
I builded it.
Lights. And lights off. Good night. Daddy is our chef for the day.
Masuka na.
I want a hot thing on my stick. I want fire on my stick.
Fire and
We're making a campfire. And I want the wildfire.
We are gonna buy buko. We're going to the store to buy the buko. Buko, buko, buko.
I got the
Here
one.
is the store, but only limited stuff. And there is there. Ano to? What's this, anak?
Ultimate garage.
What? No, it's not. No, that's their bathroom. Yes, it is. Look at the bathroom. What can you say about the bathroom?
I put this there.
Grabe. It's scorching hot. Sobra. Hindi lang mainit. Mainit na mainit. Summer na dito talaga. So, let's talk about the water. Ayun, malinaw ang water. Malinaw ang tubig. Ang kulit, merong balot dito, nagtitinda ng balot. Opak. Sarap, balot. By the beach.
There's also chips. Yeah, buko too.
Yep.
There's only 3.
Did you give one to Kuya?
No, he's in the water.
What's it taste? What does it taste? Buko?
I collected some shells.
Really?
Yeah.
Cheers.
Cheers. My love. Cheers, everybody. Cheers, my love. Everyone, cheers. Cheers.
Cheers. How's it? Sarap?
So good.
Buko naman. Saya. Grabe, look at the sunset here. Grabe, amazing. Oh, sobrang nag-enjoy yung mga tao sa sunset. Kakatuwa. Kakatuwa. You know, madaming tao today. Madaming nagka-camp. Kakatuwa na maraming nag-enjoy. Look at that.
I think he's drowning. He's not even talking. You're not used to sugar. I am used to sugar.
Medyo may kainitan ang maagang-maaga for today's video. But the kids are surely enjoying the beach at this time.
Tigas ng puno nito. Tigas pala yung mga pine tree na. Sikot, ano? Matigas.
Tigas ng pine tree. Parang ulo ng mga bagets. Charot.
Para sa bed.
I think that's enough. Ang layo na ng mga bata, to the rescue na si Daddy at napakainit po naman talaga.
Stay on the ito or swim? Not so much at sun ha? Dito sa umbrella. Oh, sige, I can swim.
Okay. And since this is a super duper init, let's try this whole garden peach. Mukhang promising naman eh.
Pwede na akong bumili lang yung pag-pack. Para pwede na sa tungkol ko lang.
Next order for Daddy. Okay. So since it is for Daddy, with the mayo.
I love mayo too. And you like too.
And then this big slab. I think Daddy needs to
Have double bacon.
double bacon and double everything. Oh my God, Daddy.
I like it. You should ask my mom.
But you know earlier Daddy said
No, I don't think I'm gonna eat. That's what he said.
Now he's eating.
Yeah.
You can eat all of it. I think. Oh, sorry. You want cookie more?
At dahil nga, third day na namin dito sa beach, paubos na ang beer namin. Actually, may dalawa na lang kaming whole garden and ubos na rin yung yelo namin so kailangan namin ng refill and then dalawang soju. But apparently, kung gusto nyong mag-chill, uminom ng beer, bumili kayo ng madami. Kasi kami ang dami na namin binili as in. Pero syempre, dito kasi masarap uminom-inom eh. Magdala kayo ng extra. Meron sila pero hard. Di namin trip yun. Pero plus points kasi meron silang halo-halo. 50 pesos lang. Masarap naman. Enjoy nila oh. So,
Ayan, ang perfect. Ayan.
Okay, so for our last night, dahil magsusoju kami ni Daddy, ayun ang soju pack. And alakalagot pulutan, charot. Landi mo. Sarap. Sarap nito. Sarap. Sarap, no?
Yeah.
Sabi ko sa'yo eh.
Cheers.
Alright, so this is a very peaceful, so quiet morning. And this is a Monday. Sobrang kalmado ng water. Let's go to the water. Super kalma. Super kalma. And yeah, look at that. Hindi naman siya white sand. Hindi naman din siya madumi. It just so happened na black yung sand. So, akala mo yung tubig ay madumi. Diba? Pero kada beach talaga, iba-iba yung buhangin nila. So, diba? Wala naman kaming anything na bad review or whatnot. It's a quite decent place. And if you ask kung babalikan, of course, we will. Definitely, we will come back. And we'll come back with our family.